Today we're gonna make Indonesian street food.
Martabak Telur. Let's go! First, we're going to make Indonesian pickle. Chili.
Huh?
Salt. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it. What you doing there? A lot of green onion. One more. Okay, that's salt, chicken bouillon, pepper, garlic powder.
Garlic powder.
So we are going to cook this ground beef first. And change to medium heat. Till it looks just like this. Some oil. Egg roll wrappers. I think that's enough. Okay. Try. Cheers. Wow. Woo! You should try this at home. See you in the next video.